Picture this, a brilliant crystal clear television screen, so clean it sparkles. A viewing experience so immersive, you feel as if you're part of the action. How do we achieve this? With a few simple transformative techniques. First, always turn off and unplug your television before cleaning. This ensures safety and prevents static buildup. Second, skip the harsh chemicals. Instead, use a solution of equal parts distilled water and white vinegar. This natural cleanser won't damage your screen and leaves no streaks. Third, choose a microfiber cloth. Its gentle, lint-free surface is ideal for delicate screens. And lastly, don't forget the corners and edges. Dirt often hides in these areas, dulling your viewing experience. So, the next time you settle down for a movie night, remember these techniques. A sparkling TV screen awaits. Transform your viewing experience today.